So we finally got our hands on the Focus drink, which has just arrived and is launched by Triggered Insan and Fukra Insan, and let's review it today for you guys from a medical point of view. So hi, I am Nepal and welcome back to my channel The Med Hive, and today let's focus on Focus. So inside the box we have 3 bottles. The first flavor is the kiwi lemon, which is this bottle. Then we have the second bottle, which is the mango pineapple flavor, and the third bottle, which is the strawberry watermelon flavor. And just look at this bottle, it's really nice. The quality of the bottle is really sturdy. But then talking about the logo of the bottle, where they have written the Focus, I think I have tried Prime, and the logo of Prime is like really nice. Like it has a gloss on it, and you know it really stands out in your eyes. Like you know, like yeah, that's the Prime drink. Let's see about the benefits of the Focus. यहाँ पे they have mentioned, like again it is rich in vitamin D3, 22% coconut water, and then what are the benefits of hydration. Then they've given increases energy levels. Then here they've given smoothens digestion. Here is promotes healthy skin, and here is fights fatigue. So let's see if it really works. Talking about ingredients, 22% coconut water. So yeah, as we know, coconut water acts as a natural electrolyte for our body, and it's really good for hydration. Second ingredient is taurine. Taurine is very good for mental focus, and it even boosts your brain abilities. The next ingredients are ginseng extract and ginkgo biloba. Both of these are really nice for your cognitive enhancement, and they also improve the blood flow to your brain, which is majorly the work of ginkgo biloba. The next ingredient is creatinine, and it helps with the muscle recovery. And the next is our L-carnitine L-tartrate, which is useful for your energy metabolism, and it gives you like a high reserve energy. Also contains additionally some vitamins like vitamin D3, niacin, which is vitamin B3, and the vitamin B complex, which contains B2, B6 and B12. And it also contains some electrolytes, which are obviously good for hydration. Then there's 5-HTP, which is again good for your energy metabolism. All of this equals to like focusing on your brain functions, cognitive enhancement, muscle recovery. First, let's try this kiwi lemon flavor because I've heard it's really nice. And now let's open the bottle. Yeah, let's try it. Yeah, it's really nice. It's really refreshing in the summers. So talking about first impressions, as the flavor says kiwi lemon, kiwi का इतना ज़्यादा फ्लेवर नहीं आ रहा है वेरी ऑनेस्टली, बट द लेमन फ्लेवर इज़ रियली नाइस. अगर आपको नींबू शिकंजी, नींबू पानी या यू नो आइस गोला वाला यू नीड दैट टेस्ट इन द समर, सो या दिस इज़ रियली अ नाइस ऑप्शन फॉर द स्ट्रॉबेरी वाटरमेलन फ्लेवर. Yeah, it's like okayish. It's not that great, like it does not stand up to its saying about the strawberry watermelon flavor, but very honestly it tastes a bit like cough syrup. I'm so sorry. Third flavor we have is the mango pineapple flavor. Let's give this a taste test. Okay, it does have a bit of mango flavor, but it tastes nothing like pineapple. Very honestly ऐसा लग रहा है कि ORS में कोई आर्टिफिशियल मैंगो एसेंस डाल दिया है. I'm not a big fan of these two flavors, but yeah, I really like the kiwi lemon one. It's really nice, it's really refreshing, and you know if you want to have that nimbu shikanji feels in the summer, so it's a great option. It's also good for hydration, so yeah, it's an overall hit. Thumbs up from my side for this flavor, but those two don't really work for me. They might work for you, but they don't really do for me. And yeah, if you want my recommendation, you can try this. It's really nice and refreshing. So the overall conclusions, firstly talking about the pricing, I know it is a bit on a higher end. It's a little expensive. We've got 3 bottles for rupees 450. Each retails for rupees 150, which I think is a bit expensive. But yeah, if you want it, like if you want to try it for some time, you can try for once. And for the flavor recommendation from my side would be the kiwi lemon flavor. I really like it, and it's really nice. I think it's a refreshing alternative, but the other 2 alternatives I'm not a really big fan of them. And talking about these, I think they have health benefits, so you can try. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you want me to keep making these videos, please let me know in the comment section down below. What is your favorite flavor from the Focus? Let me know that as well in the comment section below. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, keep going. keep growing. Bye.